Welcome to TRS Clips, where you'll find happiness through your own curiosity.
That's what I came
When I
here
started
for.
the podcast, I felt like we grew a lot. We became mainstream, and that got me closer and closer to the three top parts of our country, top industries, at least from a media perspective.
Couch
This
looks
is the world of films,
very delicious.
cricket, and politics. Now, when you're near these three, I feel one, when you're near a fire,
like
you can
the-
feel the warmth.
तुम्हारा
And also,
Panther.
the nation's eyes are on you because you're just near these three. So that causes changes in one's life. And I felt like people started to view me as being in the world of glamour. And I technically was in the world of glamour. The parties we go to, the places we go to, socialize, etc. I came to realize, and I'm this engineering grad who didn't know how the world works. But maybe in the last 2-3 years, I've come to realize that my industry is extremely sexual. Like, there's way too much sexuality. And I'm not talking about YouTubing, talking about just media in general. There's way too much sexuality.
Oi. I like his face. He's like very unsure.
Sexual. Like, there's way too much sexuality. And I'm not talking about YouTubing, talking about just media in general. There's
He's like, where is he going with that? Which is actually a very insanely good compliment to Ranveer's now interviewing skills, because he could have directly very expressed तुम्हारा question क्या है इसका कि हाँ, you know what I've noticed ever since अब highly contact में आ गया हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री को, मैं पार्टीज में आने लग गया हूँ, मैंने देखा भाई यहाँ तो बहुत सेक्स होता है भाई, सब सेक्स कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, कोई कहीं किसी लेवल का कंट्रोल या जो भी दिखता है हमें बाहर से कि भाई ऐसे रिश्ते होंगे, प्रेम ऐसा होता है, सब बातें करते हैं पिक्चरों में और हमें दिखाते हैं सबकी रिलेशनशिप्स है, बट हम पीछे देख रहे हैं सब एक क्या यार। एक तो ये हो सकता है व्हाट ही क्रिएटेड वाज अ विनियर। ही बेसिकली स्टार्टेड ऑफ कि ओ मेरी जर्नी ऐसी है, पर्सन हैज नो क्लू व्हाट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई हैड नो क्लू वेयर इज गोइंग विद दिस। मैं इन तीनों चीज़ों कॉन्टैक्ट में आया, जब मैं कॉन्टैक्ट में लग गया तो मैं ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में मैंने कदम लिया एंड यू हैव नो आइडिया। ओके, मैं एक इंसान हूँ जिसे कुछ नहीं पता था, तो हमने एक डिफैमिलियराइजेशन इंट्रोड्यूस किया कि मैं एक ऑब्जर्वर था जिसको कोई ये चीज़ एक्सपेक्ट करके नहीं आ रहा था, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था यार, एंड देन बूम ही हिट्स यू, नॉट गिविंग यू टाइम, एंड इट्स प्लेस्ड विद दिस इंटायर फाउंडेशन ऑफ कंप्लीट इनोसेंस, एंड तुम कंप्लीटली ट्रिगर या प्रिपेयर भी नहीं हो रहे हो सोचने में कि ओ हम ये बात करने आ रहे हैं, या तो मैं ऑफेंड हो जाऊं सुन के, ट्रिगर हो जाऊं, डिफेंसिव हो जाऊं, या एक्चुअली ये इनोसेंटली ही पूछ रहा है। तो ये काइंड ऑफ एक कंफ्यूजन भी मेंटेन रखता है, ये अनसर्टेनिटी, जहां पे आप रणवीर की इंटेंशन को भी मे बी क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकते, विच इज वेरी गुड।
way too much sexuality. And I see people...
In what sense?
See, he's like registering it.
There's way too many casual hookups.
Really?
Yeah. And
Really? You've seen that? Bollywood में? Wow. Tell me more.
there's way too much polygamy, polyamory, all these things.
My brother out here exposing everything. Now you have to understand, he's sitting in front of him and he has to basically pull his answers to a limit जहाँ पे कि भाई ज़्यादा भी ना बोल जाए, वो भी ना बोल जाए, but in what he has said more than enough. Polygamy, तुम्हारी पॉली रिलेशनशिप्स, यानी बेसिकली कोई किसी को लॉयल्टी नहीं है, कोई किसी के जितने भी शादियां आपको शादियां दिख रही हैं, मैं भी बहुत सारी शादियों में किसी तरह की लॉयल्टी, मोनोगमी कुछ भी नहीं हो रही, सब एक दूसरे के साथ सोते रहते हैं, सब ओपन मैरिजेस हैं। हो सकता है भाई लॉट ऑफ कैजुअल सेक्स, मतलब कि भाई कोई सोचता भी नहीं है, प्रॉबेबली ग्रुप सेक्स भी करते होंगे और चीज भी करते रहते होंगे, क्या पता, हॉलीवुड में होता है, हॉलीवुड में तो बाहर आया भी हुआ है, और ये लोग भी सब, क्या डिफरेंस क्या है भाई, ज्योग्राफी चेंज हो रही है, लाइफस्टाइल तो सेम ही है, सोच तो वही है। अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ नार्सिसिस्ट को फेम दे दिया, वो सुंदर भी हैं, और उनको कहा है भैया लो तुम सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट दुनिया में फील करो कि तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुमको इतने सारे लोग पागल की तरह इंस्टाग्राम पे कहते रहते हैं हम पागल हैं तुम्हारे लिए, प्लस तुम्हारे पास आता पैसा है, तुम क्या करोगे उसके बाद।
things. And I feel it kind of, at least this is how I look at life. I don't judge it because each to their own, everyone has their own story. But I do feel there's a price one pays for casual sex. And honestly, there has been a phase in my life where I've engaged a...
What a brilliant interviewer he has become. He now added depth to it. He says I'm not judging it. So again, he diffused the conversation. He diffused any sort of, अगर कोई इंसान ने trigger feel किया हो, and then a sort of philosophical point that it has a price. They come with a price that you have to pay. यानी actions have consequences.
bit in it as well long ago. And there was a price I paid. And I learned that in my mid-20s, corrected myself, and I feel like that's one of the best things I did for
I love
myself.
it. He's using himself as an example as well. जहाँ पे वो अगर हल्का सा भी क्रिटिसिज्म दे रहा है कि कैजुअल सेक्स का, जिसने जो चीज़ इंडस्ट्री में नोटिस करी है वो उसको सही नहीं लगती, लेकिन ही पुट्स हिमसेल्फ एट द सेंटर ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल जिससे सुनने वाले को बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं लगेगा कि हम पे कोई जजमेंट हो रहा है या मेरे पे कोई जजमेंट हो रहा है. बिकॉज हियर्स अ थिंग, आई डोंट थिंक अर्जुन रामपाल की हिस्ट्री के बारे में हम कुछ भी जानते हैं. हम लोग पर्सनल लाइफ के डेटा के बारे में हम कुछ भी जानते हैं. अर्जुन रामपाल की प्रोक्लेविटीज के बारे में हम कुछ भी जानते हैं, इंक्लिनेशंस के बारे में, एक्शंस के बारे में, लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में, रिलेशनशिप चॉइसेस रही उनके बारे में. हमें बस बाहर से थोड़ा बहुत जो विकिपीडिया में मिल जाएगा वो पता है. हमें नहीं पता अंदर ये इंसान की जिंदगी क्या रही है, कैसे इसकी सोच है, क्या एक्शन है. जब हमारे पास इस लेवल का कभी डेटा ही नहीं है, तब हम सॉर्ट ऑफ 50-50% पे खेल रहे हैं. यहाँ पे की हो सकता है बहुत बड़ी बात है जो भी रणवीर बोल रहा है, हो सकता है वो 50% इस पे अप्लाई करती है इन द सेंस दैट इसने भी यही जिंदगी जी है, बल्कि हो सकता है पूरी तरह से जी हो. 50% हो सकता है इसने नहीं जी. 50-50 बेसिकली चांस जिसे कहते हैं हम लोग. सो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि ये चीजें सुन के इंसान इनडायरेक्टली सोचे कि मेरे पे बात हो रही है. एंड रणवीर काइंड ऑफ कीप्स इट क्लियर.
I think there's a little power in
I see,
unsexualizing yourself.
I love sex. Okay. I think sex is very important. Okay, part of your life. But yes, I think being with one partner is even more important.
Yes.
When you're sharing a bed, when you're sharing physicality, we don't realize it is a huge
Energy exchange.
energy exchange shift in what you're taking in from that person as well. It is there. It's going into your DNA somewhere.
Like, if you're in a long-term relationship, your girlfriend or wife will know your mood even if you're on the other side of the world sometimes.
Yes.
She'll just give you a call.
Yeah.
What is the logic behind that? What you're saying?
So I think we've all kind of gone through a lot of things in our lives and experiences. And yes, I agree with you 150%, is very overrated, where people say, oh, we should just... It's actually, again, an addiction. It's a habit. Again, that people kind of create.
What he wants to say, it's a pattern.
Themselves. I know a lot of guys, okay, who need another woman or whatever, and they're in a very good, happy marriage. I mean, they call it happy marriage. I don't know how, but whatever it is.
Ranveer already told us everything.
But they said, no, but it's just a fling.
It's just
So he's talking about guys who are married and are cheating on their wives.
exercise.
Yeah, it's just
He's probably talking about actors, Bollywood married actors who are his friends. And obviously producers हो सकते हैं, models हो सकते हैं, who are all cheating on their wives, by the way.
yeah, whatever. Okay, nothing. Well, it's not just nothing. You know what I mean? I can see what happens in that energy to that person. I can see that person's energy shift. Yeah, and it's actually an addiction. It's going to pull you down. And the more the person keeps doing it, now he's made it a habit again.
Yeah, it's a pattern.
And so that's become part of their personality. And as you said, when you get older, your face changes. It's not your face changes. It is whatever you are really inside, who you are, will finally show up on your face. You know what I mean? It's what is it that you're expressing. So it's not just...
Not true. Has nothing to do. What you are inside, has nothing. Why would it show on your face? एक से एक खतरनाक तुम्हें दुनिया में लोग मिलेंगे जो पूरी दुनिया को एक चेहरा दिखा के चले गए, एंड उसके बाद तुम्हें पता चला उनके बारे में, खबरें जब बाहर आई, लीक्स हुए, लीक्स निकलते रहते हैं, बहुत बड़े पॉलिटिशियंस के बारे में क्या क्या चीज़ें पीछे बाहर बाद में जब लीक्स होते हैं तो पता चलते हैं. तो मैं वो चेहरे पे कुछ नहीं होता. पॉलिटिशियन से बड़ा एक्चुअल में ये जो बात बोल रहे हैं हाइपोथेसिस कि चेहरे पे दिखता है एक उम्र के बाद, इससे बेटर एग्जांपल पॉलिटिक्स नहीं है. क्योंकि पॉलिटिक्स ऐसी चीज़ में जिसमें लार्जली लोग जो इलेक्शन के लिए आते हैं, जो कि मास लेवल पे ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन को मोटिवेट करते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, उनकी उम्र ऑलमोस्ट 60-70 होती है. सो दे आर एज ओल्ड एज यू कैन गेट, एंड येट दे फूल पीपल ऑन मास, मिलियंस पे. बिकॉज एक्चुअल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि चेहरे पे दिख जाएगा आप जो भी हो. वो हो सकता है एकदम ही भयंकर कुकर्म किए उन्होंने, साइकोपैथी में लुप्त थे. दुनिया में ऐसा कोई कांड नहीं है, कोई क्राइम नहीं है जो उन्होंने ना किया हो. बट तुम्हारे सामने वो बैठ सकते हैं, हो सकता है वो धार्मिक बातें कर सकते हैं, वो कह सकते हैं हम तो बहुत ही धार्मिक व्यक्ति हैं. मैं यहाँ पे अक्रॉस ग्लोब बात कर रहा हूँ, बाय द वे. भगवान पे मानते हैं हम तो बस. और तुम कहोगे यार क्या बात कर रहे हैं भाई, क्या बात कर रहे हैं इंसान, क्या व्यक्ति हैं.
just the eyes that see. You know what I mean? It's every pore from everywhere that's taking it within. The eyes only let go of what's going on inside of you. They're just the windows.
I'm seeing so many people pay the price for chasing sex
Yes.
around me, like friends.
I love that Ranveer brings the conversation back to this thing that he really wanted. Basically, I think he wants something out of him, which is, one could say, informative about the state of marriages, relationships, तुम्हारे Bollywood में, and the prevalence of casual sex. And he probably wants कि आप थोड़ा सा openly बात करो इसके बारे में.
It happens.
Okay.
Don't beat yourself up on it also. There's always a choice you can do. There's always a second chance you have to give yourself. Okay? Again, I'm saying don't be hard on yourself. I was a person who was very hard on myself. I lost a lot of my time just, beating myself up. And
yeah, but I think he's talking about very domain specific thing, and I think you're talking about it in general. For example, don't beat yourself up. It's a very general advice. For example, maybe तुम्हारी movie नहीं चली and you're just ruminating and you're beating yourself up over it, and probably that is something very, very different from what specifically he wants to talk about, because he wants to talk about तुम्हारा domain specific in the sense कि casual sex जो prevalent है Bollywood में, उससे जो चोट लगती है.
I could have spent that time just instead of going into the past and thinking, I could
I
have
don't think he wants to talk about it, by the way.
done this, I could have done this differently, and this was wrong, and you're an idiot, and you're this. Just make sure you don't repeat those mistakes. Change it. Every day, make another habit. Make something new. Make something good that makes you feel good. And then suddenly make it just part of you. It could be anything.
Also, another thing I want to tell you, there is a thing called, basically, it's as simple as that. तुम इसको simple कह सकते हो, attraction bias. There are a lot of terms to it. So you see good-looking people and you automatically, implicitly think whatever they're saying is true. You want to trust them, and you may feel natural proclivity toward believing what they're saying. एक bias develop हो जाता है उनके प्रति भी कि नहीं ये भला ही आदमी है. He's a very beautiful man. Let's be real. And you may think that ये इंसान बहुत अच्छा है, ये दिल के मुझे साफ इंसान लग रहा है, इसकी बातों में ना ये जो भी भावना ना, ये एक बायस है. तुम्हारा ब्रेन जो डेवलप करता है ऑटोमेटिकली विदाउट थिंकिंग टुवर्ड ब्यूटीफुल पीपल. Has nothing to do with the person, has nothing to do with data, has nothing to do with critical thinking, deduction, anything. So what I mean to say is हमारे पास एक्चुअली कोई डेटा नहीं है, हम चांस पे खेल रहे हैं, 50-50 है. I'm not saying उसने ऐसा कुछ किया है, I'm not saying उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. What I'm saying is I'm not gonna fall for attraction bias. I'm not just gonna attach or attribute बेमतलब के characteristics या qualities या virtues without even knowing, but मेरा दिल कर रहा है.
Could just waking up early in the morning and sitting. Do nothing. Just sit. Go for a 10-minute walk. Spend time on your own.
Good routines should outweigh bad routines.
Good habits. Good habits. Hoga. You will want that nice big bottle of red wine.
See?
Okay.
Red wine. I was saying, this is the thing I was saying. He's talking about very general. Ranveer is very domain specific.
Okay. There will be this one beautiful woman that will walk into the room.
Okay.
And you will be, all those desires will say, Arey, yaar, main abhi kya karoon? You know what I mean? All that will come up within you. Look at her, smile and say, wow, man, isn't that beautiful? It's out. It's done. It's over. Finish it. Okay? Don't hold back. Don't do any of that. Okay? If that beautiful woman comes to you and says, darling, how do you like your eggs in the morning?
Women say, darling, how you, like, literally, is that a real conversation? Women come to you and they say, darling, how you like your eggs in the morning? And they refer to you as darling? Damn.
Okay. You'll be like, darling, I would like them boiled. Okay. But I definitely don't want them scrambled. Okay. Because that's my love and that's who I'm going home with. But on any other day, if I was single, there was no way.
So he would have had casual sex, basically. Because the setting, the example in the setting is literally a stranger walking up to him, asking him, would you like to spend the night? And he says, on any other day, if I was single,
I would not be having my eggs the way you'd like them. You know what I mean? So let it go. You know, chalna yaar, ho gaya. You have to have your fun. You've done everything. You've experienced everything. But you've also made certain commitments. I think to honor those and to be around those and to religiously, think is going to make you a better person. And I think that's what life has taught me. It's taught me a lot.
Hey, if you enjoyed today's clip, make sure you check.
But hey, kudos to Tumhara Ranveer's interviewing skills.